And let's connect with Manogya, who joins us on the phone line live from Port Blair, where she has been ever since this incident took place. Also joining us live from Chennai is Srisha. First up, Manogya, let me come to you. What is the present situation? Is that ferry service operational after the tragedy?
Well, it is a tragedy that has struck Port Blair. Everything has been shut since morning. The tourist operations and the boat operations have been shut the whole day, mourning the death of 21 people here in Port Blair. What is more important is that the administration too has ensured that no ferry services are operational during the day. The families, however, have been claiming that it was completely failure on the part of the administration, because of which several lives were lost, and perhaps that's the reason why this kind of step has been taken now. But if the realization from the government comes too late and too little, because the lives are already lost, and we've seen that the kind of operational services that they have been giving, it's not just about shutting them down for a day and taking operational stock today, but they should have done it a lot more earlier.
Absolutely, a lot of those safety measures being flouted there by the system, and that's the big question that we're also asking, some unanswered questions really as far as those safety norms are concerned. Shisha Reddy also joining us live from Chennai. Shisha, I believe that the bodies will be brought to Chennai sometime soon, where the families of the bereaved will be waiting.
Well, that's right, Vedika. Of course, yes, family members have been waiting here, but unfortunately, no one is not. They're not in a position to speak to us. But what we are also learning from the relatives is that the boat which had capsized was sinking there for more than 1.5 hours, and they tried to reach every number possible. When the other boats that came close by, they also did not help. Is what they have told the family members, and the ambulances are already ready for the survivors to treat. The nurses are here, the doctors are also here, and the ambulances have been kept here. So once the survivors arrive, they will be taken to the collectorate office before they'll go to the respective homes. And also, as far as the dead bodies are concerned, it might arrive anytime soon, about 5 o'clock or 4:30 in the evening, till about 5 they should arrive. Of course, family members are eagerly waiting. There are more than 17 members from Tamil Nadu itself, and while 15 from Kanjipuram and 2 from Tamil Nadu.
All right, Shisha and Manogya, thank you so much for joining us on our top story.